Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a no-code engine that exports to Android. Choose one with visual scripting and templates to speed things up. Once done, sketch a simple design, one core mechanic, 3 levels, and clear win/lose states. Make sure assets are ready before building sprites, tile maps, and 48K HZ audio optimized for mobile. Start a new project and import your assets. Create a main scene so you can iterate quickly and test the core mechanic immediately. You now implement core systems, player input, collisions, camera follow, and a minimal HUD for score and lives. Use engine behaviors and event sheets rather than writing code. Wire actions to triggers and test each interaction after you change it. Iterate level design with playtesting to balance difficulty. Make performance a habit. Aim for 60 frames per second by reducing draw calls, using sprite atlases, and compressing audio and textures. Once levels feel tight, add menus and pause functionality. You finish by exporting a signed APK or AAB, generate a key store, and sign every release build. Make sure the target API level matches Play Store requirements and set appropriate permissions. Prepare your listing with high-res icons, screenshots, short description, and a simple privacy policy. Upload to the console, run internal tests on real devices, then roll out to production. If you encounter crashes, reproduce on device, check logs, and re-sign builds if necessary. Re-export with optimization off to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.